Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering student and professional. And for that, we also provide the professional trainings. And today we have with us Lokesh. So we will see how he has completed his professional training on G+1 building estimation. Hello, Lokesh.
Hi, good evening. My name is Lokesh. I'm from Hyderabad, in Telangana. My present place Nalgonda. My BTech college is in Vignan Bharati of Hyderabad. I'm fourth year. I have likely to estimation. My future professionals to do estimation. That's why I selected this.
Okay, Lokesh. So you are in fourth year right now, and you have taken this professional training on G+1 building estimation. That is a great start for your career. So you said that you want to start your career as an estimator, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why it is so? Like, why not in like a structural designing, or why not in some architect field? Why estimation?
I have both softwares and this estimation, both.
Okay. So you have a you are open to interest that okay, if you will just get a chance in estimation, then you will get as be estimator, and even if you will just apply for site engineer, then this will help you out. Okay, that's a good thing. So like. Lokesh, I would like to know, sir, you have taken this online classes. Okay, so what was there in the online classes? What are the different things that you have learned? Can you just give us a glimpse of that?
Mostly I will like online only because clearly we can observe the videos and all the in offline group of people, that's not impossible. Online only you can easily catch the videos and things.
Okay, so like in your opinion, online classes are better because you get the personal touch from there, and you don't have to be with a bunch of people who are disturbing the classes and everything. Okay, that's a very good thing. So that shows how focused you are towards your studies. So in the like the whole period, so what are the different things that you have learned?
Which means by estimation cost.
Yeah, so in estimation, yeah.
Before I don't know anything before I don't know anything in estimation. I joined this civil center. I will step by step I'll learn.
Okay, so you have learned it step by step. So, like, I will just help you out with this. Like, was there some like construction activities also, or was it just a project and you have learned the estimation?
I have learned construction set also some little bit.
Okay, so like you have learned the different stages of the construction. Then in that different stages, you have understood like why estimation is needed and how it can be used on the site. Okay.
Yes.
Then have you also learned like what are the different materials that are used on the site and what should be the quantity of that and how to calculate them?
Yeah. How it's for sand, cement, all bricks. Okay. How much is needed for construction. That all.
So like in the online classes, like have you taken in your college curriculum, is it the estimation also there? Like estimation is the
this is fourth year. I have estimation costing subject. Okay. It is helpful for a lot.
Okay. Course. So how it helped you? Like, do you find any difference like in the course curriculum and in the like online classes that the center provided?
Yeah. Same as it seems.
Okay.
Little bit different, but 80% is same.
Okay, so I guess in the like G+1 building estimation, you have worked on a live project, and so now are you confident that if you will get a project of a G+1 building, you can complete that?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, you are confident. That's a great thing. So, like, have you completed your project and you have prepared the like Excel sheets and what are the different processes, like complete detailed estimate that engineer will provide? Have you prepared that?
Yes, I have prepared and submitted before last week.
Okay, so you have already prepared and submitted that also.
Yeah,
that's great. So, have you also worked on some other project, like other than the one that was taught in the class?
Present, I have not prepared because I have projects for many projects, that seminars. I have full business schedule.
Okay, so you are like a little bit busy with your major and minor projects in
Yes.
the fourth year. That's
Yeah.
okay. So now the next thing is like if you will get a chance, like suppose someone is your client and he is providing you a project that okay, I have this plan ready, I have this structural drawing ready, and now I want to get the detailed estimate of that. Can you just make that?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So
Sure.
like you are confident. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Because I have this knowledge and this estimation knowledge.
okay, so you have the estimation knowledge and you're confident. That's great. So next thing is like, what is your vision? Like, do you want to work as a freelance after the completion of this fourth year, or you want to get a job?
My plan is me and my friend has to establish a company.
Okay, so you want to start like go for your own startup. That's a great thing. So
Yeah.
what are the different things that you are planning to do over there?
We have learning bit little softwares, estimation and field knowledge. All we have to learn. We have learning.
Okay, so from the civil center, have you learned just estimation, or have you also got for any other software training?
Yeah, I have learned only estimation, but I have seen a lot of workshops I have joined from civil center.
Okay, so would you like to join some other core professional trainings also? Like there are for the structural design, for the planning, and there are a lot of other things also. So would you like to join that?
Maybe in future, but not present now.
Okay, that's not an issue. Whenever you are ready, you can just contact us. And okay, now the next thing is like my last question to you. What
Yeah.
is the advice that you would like to share with our viewers? Okay, like those who are still in the college, what should they do? Like you are planning to open up your company, so you must have the vision that okay, if someone is in the college, then in the college itself, one should learn all these things. So, what is your opinion? Would you like to provide some advice to them?
Yes, of course. The civil center is useful for all. With zero knowledge, we have they have improvement a lot, and they don't know anything. Also, they have improvement in knowledge in civil center. In this, a lot of information, and not only estimation. There are other softwares all are there. I have seen some videos also. This is helpful for all us, and I'm advised to my friends also. They have also joined in this civil center. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Lokesh. It was wonderful talking with you, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavor that you want to start up your company. Whatever the help you will need, that you can directly contact us. Civil Center will always stay with you. All the best for your future. Thank you.